To add a video to a Beacons AI course. It's a relatively straightforward process. For online businesses selling courses, incorporating videos can significantly improve conversion rates compared to text-based courses. The process of adding a video is handled within the Beacons AI account. Starting from the home screen, click on the Products option, which is represented by a price tag icon. This will display all the products being offered, and from there, select the desired course. Upon selecting the course, a pop-up will appear with the option to edit product details. Video edition is handled at the section level, so navigate to the Course Setup section. Within the course, videos can be added to the lesson section. For instance, if the course is about starting a restaurant, with modules for different types of restaurants and lessons within those modules, a video can be added to a specific lesson, such as one on a particular culinary topic. To add the video, click on the lesson and then on the Content option on the right side. There are two ways to add a video: by pasting a link from a video hosting platform, or, for paid plans, by directly uploading the video to Beacons AI, which will then host the video. Once the video link is pasted or the video is uploaded, the changes will be updated automatically. After saving the changes, the video will be visible to anyone taking the course when they access that particular lesson. This simple process enhances the course content and improves the learning experience for participants.